There was a specific theme I wanted to talk about, but it's just been interesting for me living in the US in Washington, D.C. For those of you who haven't heard of it, that's the capital of the United States. Um, and Amsterdam being my second home and being here for these celebrations but also feeling into every time I come back to Holland, can feel the subtle effects of what the war in the Ukraine is having on Europe.
Mm.
Just in terms of people's morale, in terms of people's energy, nervous system dysregulation, the price of goods, things that are no longer available, how the politics here has become more polarized and less debate and more fighting. And I just want to share that there's a global wave happening in terms of that. And at the same time, there's a global wave of love and connection and unity that the media doesn't talk about, and that more and more people are stepping into. And I'm finding that no matter where I am in the world, people are being called to a higher level of presence,